effort to keep you living well. Looking good on the outside depends a lot on what you've got on the inside. Well, Fox 29 News' Alex Savoy has some tips.
It turns out there are certain foods that are not only good for you, but can work to make your skin look younger. Laura Jeffers is a registered dietitian, and she says one way to fight wrinkles is to eat more strawberries.
If you ate a cup of strawberries, it helped to prevent wrinkles on the skin, which I'm sure a lot of people would be interested. And having a cup of strawberries, that's a great way to increase your fruit intake.
You may have heard that chocolate causes acne, but eating chocolate made of 60 to 70% cocoa may improve the skin's texture. Also, tomatoes have the chemical lycopene, which helps the skin look smooth.
A lot of the things that help your skin are actually healthy for you to eat. The omega-3s, getting it from tuna or salmon, having some fruit in your diet, having 1 cup of coffee a day, having dark chocolate. I mean, all of these things can be in a healthy diet.
Chances are if you're eating healthy, then you're probably already giving the skin everything it needs. I'm Alex Savoy with Fox 29 News.